Okay, all you HO scale modelers and possibly N scalers. This is Casey Jones, 1950 on YouTube. A couple of comments about the lifelike Proto Heritage 284 locomotives and possibly others. This particular NKP locomotive I put back together from parts from a junk engine I bought because the axle gear in it was cracked, and also all the second, third, and fourth driver centers, which are Delrin or plastic or something, I don't know what they're made out of, they were cracked as well. So there is some plastic strut tubing that I think is 3/16 in diameter, and the hole size is about I want to say 3/32. Anyway, those driver stub axles will press into those. That size plastic strut, I made centerpieces out of that material, and I had to eyeball the drivers by quarter because they wouldn't fit in my Northwest quarter. However, I contacted Northwest Short Lines, and I sent them a couple of scrap drivers, as well as I sent back 2 gears I ordered. The gears they have are 3mm bore, while the axles on these are about 2.5mm. So naturally they just fell in, they wouldn't press fit. So I sent back the gears that they had, which the package said it was for lifelike 080, 060s, I believe, and 284s. Well, the 284 axle is a lot smaller and would not work in it. So they are making me a couple of gears with the right size axle bore for spares. But this is apparently a common problem with these engines, even like the diesels where the axle gears crack. And Walthers could care less anymore. They don't have any parts for these, they claim. I contacted them about driver assemblies, and they said, well, these engines are 15, 16 years old. Why should we stock parts for them now? Well, a lot of us have them, and if you bought one with sound, you probably paid anywhere from $250 on up to maybe $350 for one. So yeah, it would be nice to keep them running. Anyway, one other discrepancy I noticed about the lifelike Heritage Berks compared to the Bachmann that's sitting behind it. And if you look closely, the left running board drops down behind the steam chest pipe, whereas if you look closely at the Bachmann, it's correct. The left side, the step down, should be shorter than the right side, but the Heritage unit, they made a mistake on not only the nickel plate here, the Pure Marquette, and also the C&O Kanawas. They made them all incorrect this way. The running board on the left side, or fireman's side, should step up sooner than it does. So anyway, just a couple notations on these. But yeah, if you need parts or a gear for the geared axle especially, hopefully Northwest Shortline will correct the problem that they have and be able to offer gears for these. And like I say, you can use plastic strut tubing cut to the exact length of the center axles for the non-geared drivers, and they will press fit into, I believe it's, like I said, I believe it's a 3/32 hole in the plastic strut tubing that's 3/16 OD, or outside diameter. So any of you have a problem with these, hope that helps you. All for now. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.